Controlling breathing is vital. Stress or tension can come from not breathing correctly and affect one's performance. You are able to hold your breath for 10 to 15 seconds without feeling any stress or tension. You never want to have that drowning effect happen while shooting. You need to feel relaxed and pay attention to what your body is telling you at that point in time. Are you breathing too fast? Most likely pay attention to what you are doing right now. High inhale and hold a half of breath at the sound of the buzzer or start signal. Try breathing exercises on the range next time you're out.